representing as a delegate of India in the Commonwealth of Nations. And today I'm here to talk about literacy rate progress of India. Before going into the topic, I would like to say what's literacy. It's ability to read, write and competence or knowledge in a specified area. And so, the literacy is an important indicator of a country's economic progress and the standard of living. And then let's discuss about India. The literacy rate of India is 77.7%, while Kerala has emerged as the most literate state, while Andhra Pradesh has recorded the lowest literate state. This census was taken in the year of 2020. And in 1901, the literacy rate of women was far more less than men, but it has improved now. It's so pathetic to say, an old analytical 1990 study estimated that it will take until 2060 for India to achieve universal literacy. And also, there is another sad page of India. It's in rural areas, women and girls are often not given proper access to formal education, and 60 lakh of children still out of school. The worst thing is here, India is a home of large population of 287 million illiterate adults in the world. Although some steps were taken by government to improve literacy stand, they are by conducting various scholarships, examinations, by providing school uniforms, textbooks, in order to encourage the students, and by providing midday meal. At last, I would like to suggest, as the education is one of the most powerful instruments for reducing poverty and inequality, India now has to offer more educational programs to its rural population, not only on how to write and read, but also on traditional gender roles and rights. In order to make youth employable and train them for jobs that have not been created yet, digital literacy must become a priority. At last, I would like to finish with a statement of former UN Secretary General Kofi Annan said, "The literacy is a bridge from misery to hope." Thank you.